This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Sensival 25mg tablet is a medication used to effectively manage depression. It helps restore chemical balance in the brain. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for adults experiencing symptoms of depression, including persistent sadness, loss of interest, and fatigue. It works by increasing the levels of neurotransmitters in the brain, which helps improve mood and emotional stability. How it works. It works by inhibiting the reabsorption of serotonin and norepinephrine in the brain, allowing for better mood regulation. Directions for use. Take this medication exactly as prescribed by your healthcare provider. Swallow the tablet whole with a glass of water, do not crush or chew it. Your doctor will determine the appropriate dosage based on your individual health needs, so do not stop taking it without consulting them first. Possible side effects. Common side effects include dry mouth, headache, and dizziness. Seek immediate medical attention if you experience severe allergic reactions, chest pain, or suicidal thoughts. Precautions and warnings. Consult your doctor before using this medication, especially if you have a history of heart disease, liver issues, or any mental health conditions. Avoid alcohol and inform your doctor if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. FAQs. 1. What is Sensival used for? It is used to manage depression. 2. Can it cause liver damage? Yes, it may cause liver inflammation. 3. Is it safe for the elderly? Yes, but dosage adjustments may be needed. 4. What if I miss a dose? Take it as soon as you remember, but don't double up. 5. Can I stop taking it suddenly? No. Consult your doctor before discontinuing. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Your feedback is important to us.